Riding the monster truck. What's going on, guys? So at this point you've probably seen the video where my truck got hit. Unreal. And you might be wondering, well, what does that cost to do not that much work, but also at the same time not just a simple bolt the fender on and go? Well, it's going to cost $1,550. So we got to go confirm ordering everything, and it hopefully, fingers crossed, it's not going to be like a long time's wait, because I know parts and stuff are backed up right now. I guess the next part of this video will be going back to the body shop to get everything ordered. Getting our parts ordered. Ow. Sad. Look good though. Got a brand new Denali over here. Looking pretty sick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we officially have placed our order, I guess. Next week is Christmas, so I didn't want to rush it and it'd be a big ordeal then, because they're going to be off obviously on Friday, maybe even Thursday. So I was like, you know what, let's just wait till after Christmas. We'll get it in on the 27th and then get it taken care of. And she said that it's good that it's a Chevrolet because they're not having any issues getting parts for Chevrolets, but apparently Ford is not the same. They said they got a truck that has been in their shop for 3 months waiting on a part to come in, and just haven't been able to get it. Today is the day. About to go drop off a Silverado at the body shop. Hopefully only be down for a couple days, get a new fender, get painted up, hopefully get it back before the New Year's. It's currently the 27th of December, so less than a week is what I'm hoping for, but we'll just have to see. Main thing is for them to get it back perfect. That's all I'm really worried about. Just dropped her off. See you in a week. All right, boys, it's currently Wednesday, middle of the week. I had to turn around, look what I spotted. Look in there. Oh, y'all see it? That's my truck. That's my truck. So obviously they're working on the truck. Maybe they've already painted it. I don't really know, but I'm just excited to get it back. I have been driving the Kia all week, which has been fine. Thank you, Lauren, for letting me drive it. But I have missed my truck something fierce. I'm ready to get it back. Hopefully before the weekend, before the New Year's, they'll get it done and I can go get it. So yeah, there's your update midweek. They're obviously working on it. Just picked up $1,540 cash money to go pick up my truck. They just called me, said it is ready to roll. It's Thursday, so thankfully it did happen before the New Year's. And I mean, I dropped it off Monday, picking it up Thursday. That's about as good as you can ask. So I am stoked. I have thoroughly missed it. No, this is not my truck. This is my father-in-law's. I'm about to put a leveling kit on it. Not sure if y'all have seen that video yet or not. I'm actually about to go pick up the spring compressor right now as well. So yeah, about to go pick up Betty White. I'm stoked. Hopefully it's perfect. It better be. But yeah, it's also weird. I got a service text message saying that I needed to service my transmission and engine within 7 days. So I don't know if they had it disconnected and hooked it up and it tripped the check engine light, or maybe they're out doing burnouts in it. I don't really know. But either way, I'm going to pick up that mug right now. Oh boy, we back, boys. We are back. I'm stoked. Let's hit the road. All right, let's slide on out of here. Oh, we're literally sliding. So the check engine light ended up being some kind of module disconnect, probably from them taking the bumpers off or whatever. That's what he said. He got it cleared. It's not back on, so we're good there. Had a real good experience with them. I haven't fully checked out the fender and everything, but just from my brief look at it, everything looked perfect. I'll definitely check it out more in depth here soon, but I'm gonna fill this thing up with gas because it's literally empty. get it cleaned up, get some better wheels and tires on this thing, and I'll catch up with y'all then. But as for now, I'm just gonna enjoy driving old Betty White again. I was excited when I picked this thing up, but now that I've swapped the 24s back on it, it's like I got a whole new truck. It just looks insane. Larry's kind of crying on the Chevy stocks, but we'll worry about Larry later. Old Betty White is looking insane. Woof. Which, by the way, rest in peace to the real Betty White. That's super sad, 99 years old. That's crazy. I am so stoked to have my truck back looking just good as ever, dude. Oh my gosh, it looks incredible. Which is good and bad. It's good because I am like, it's perfect. I don't need to change anything. But that's bad because I have a YouTube channel where I like to change everything. So kind of at the same spot I was with Baby Squat, which I don't know. Like I said, it's awesome because I think this thing looks absolutely incredible. But at the same time, I don't really know what else I want to do with it. If I do too much, it'll just start looking gaudy. I think it's pretty much perfect. But I gotta have something to do or I can't make content. I don't know. I mean, I know there's a lot of channels that have their trucks like completely done for like ever, and then they just film other content doing things with the trucks. But I typically like the process of modifying it. So I don't know, Betty White, you going to a new home? You staying here? What we gonna do? I don't know. I would definitely be very sad to see this truck go, but I do have some ideas for 2022, which I guess this is probably the first video of 2022. So yeah, we'll talk about that in another video though. But I'm just excited to have this truck back. I'm excited to go drive it, enjoy it, listen to the 6.2, feel the 6.2. And it's just looking incredible because it's been rolling around on the Recon grapplers. And while they do look good, they don't compete with some stands, boy. So anyways, I'm quit rambling. I'm end on that one. Y'all let me know what kind of content you'd like to see with a 21 Silverado. And yeah, I'll catch up with y'all in the next video.